So it's 2020, brand new year, brand new decade, guys. And you might be somebody who was actually thinking of making money online outside of your job. Or maybe you're already an entrepreneur who wants to stack on additional revenue streams onto what you're already doing. Well, stick around because in today's video, we're going to give you 5 of our best opportunities we think there are out there to make money online in 2020 and moving forward. So stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Brian, Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome back to the channel where every single week we're bringing information, tips from leading entrepreneurs and business professionals, and also online-based opportunities to match those information and tips. So if you like making money and you want to make lots of it, then make sure you hit that little red subscribe button below and the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss when we upload new content. And if you get great value from today's video, guys, please do let us know you like it by hitting that thumbs up button right below. And also make sure you share this with others who you think can benefit from it as well. Also, don't be afraid to drop a comment, suggestions, questions about what we shared today or other videos on our channel, or if you have something to add to the to what we're sharing with you today. All right. With that said, we're gonna jump right on into it, guys, with our 5 best money-making opportunities we think online for 2020. Starting with influencer. We believe this is one of the best ways, guys, to make money online, because most people out there, I mean, you young to old, most of the world has access to social media, right? There are billions of active users on Facebook alone every single day throughout the world, okay? And an influencer, if you're not familiar with what an influencer is somebody within a given niche or industry who has influence over specific, or also known as a target audience, okay? So these are people who generally have some kind of expertise or knowledge that other people gravitate to and learn from. And that influencer usually is somebody who can have such an influence or impact on the audience that the information they may share, the suggestions they may make, may lead to purchases of products and services, or people not purchasing products or services, okay? So for people out there, if you're somebody who is really involved in social media and all its different platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all these different social media platforms, YouTube, so on and so forth, right? You can be somebody who has a large audience and who can actually start monetizing your social media as an influencer, okay? If you're somebody who has, you know, 500,000 people following you on Instagram, you know, you have 1 million people following you or who like your Facebook profile, your Facebook page, okay? You can take that and leverage that and turn that into income by getting either brand deals. Brand deals are huge for a lot of influencers, right? And a brand deal is generally an influencer who has an agreement, a deal with maybe a clothing line, a financial services company, right? Where it leads to customers, new customers for that clothing line or that financial services company through the recommendation or somehow through a link by that influencer. And therefore, that influencer gets X amount of dollars. Now, how that deal can be structured is up to the influencer and the company, okay? But that is one way to make money online, is being an influencer, also known as influencer marketing, leveraging your social media, all right? Number 2, guys, is going to be an SMMA, which is a social media marketing agency. So a social marketing media agency business is basically an individual like yourself who takes your knowledge and information in terms of social media. And if you're somebody who is knowledgeable about social media and its multiple platforms and how audiences react and you know, how audiences may interact with social media and how social media influences people's buying decisions, again, or their non-buying decisions, you can go out to local businesses and advertise your services. Many local businesses, especially traditional businesses, ladies and gentlemen, are not actively involved with social media marketing. This is a huge problem for these companies, for these businesses, because social media is the way of advertising in today's age, okay? And it's only going to get better, it's only going to get bigger. And for those companies who have not adopted this, who have not come around to, you know, social media and in the possibilities in terms of marketing and advertising businesses, they're totally putting themselves way behind, right? And they're going to get left behind, and many of them will be no more pretty soon, right? So what you can do for these companies, especially small businesses, if you're somebody who lives in a go within your local community, right? Go around within, say, maybe a 10-mile radius of different type of businesses around town, okay? And just say, hey, I checked out your social media, I run this kind of services, I can do X, Y, and Z for you. Many of these people and these companies, if they're not a well-established large company and they're just kind of, getting started, they just got started a year, 3 years ago, even 5 years ago, they might not have a large enough team to handle anything outside of the basic, something that falls under the basic structure of their business. Yeah, they might have people who do marketing and advertising, but not being able to navigate social media and to do the things that they can do to leverage social media to benefit their companies and businesses. And that's where people like you can leverage your knowledge, your expertise with social media to create a business out of it. So if you're going to be, again, on the social media every single day like much of the world is, you might as well use it to your advantage and generate an additional stream of income, that being either doing like a social media marketing agency, right, where you can start for absolutely free. It costs you nothing. Just like being an influencer, ladies and gentlemen, it costs you nothing. You do not have to spend any money. All you're doing is leveraging what's already there, what you have already established, a large following, a large audience if you're going to go, the influencer route, or, if you're going to go the social media marketing agency, SMMA route, then you can still leverage your knowledge, your information, without spending any additional money to start this business. All you have to do is start reaching out to other companies and businesses, all right? With that said, number 3 of the 5 is going to be e-commerce. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with e-commerce, commerce is simply the buying and selling of goods, right? And E of the e-commerce is simply stands for electric, all right? So e-commerce, basically buying and selling of goods that are all done electronically online via the internet, okay? So with e-commerce, you have some sites like the most popular being Amazon, and others being BigCommerce, which is really good for small businesses, and Shopify, and there's many others that you can utilize. But e-commerce is basically you taking products and selling them to people all around the world on via the internet, okay? So for instance, Amazon, you can do something like going out to your, if you're familiar with Gary Vee, he goes out to yard sales, right? And you can find products there at yard sales, and you can sell them online, upload them onto an Amazon account and sell them via Amazon. You can either ship them yourself, or you can do what's known as Amazon FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon, and they will take care of the shipping and all that for you. You just send the products into the Amazon warehouse, and they take care of the rest, okay? You can do that from doing that on sites like, again, Amazon, eBay, to going out and creating your own products and listing them on these platforms, okay, ladies and gentlemen? So what I mean by that is what's known as private labeling, right? You find a manufacturer, a lot of people go through manufacturer companies that they find like on Alibaba or AliExpress, where companies out in China, overseas, will manufacture products but they have no name on it. You create your own business, your own label, your own brand, put it on that product, and then have them ship it to you, or ship it to like an Amazon warehouse, and basically you sell it as your own brand, your own company, these products, okay? Private labeling. Okay, so that's another way that you can make money online, which is very, very big. E-commerce has been around for a long time now, but it's only getting bigger as these companies like Amazon continue to grow. And again, with the way things going on, just in the social world, social media, you have so much opportunity, so many things to leverage, so many tools to leverage to grow a solid e-commerce business and make money online. All right, so number 4 is going to be starting your own apparel brand. All right, so what I mean by that is creating like t-shirts. If you're a designer out there, you're into fashion, maybe you could create your own clothing line, your own brand, and start selling t-shirts, sweatshirts, even blankets and pillows and coffee mugs and things like that. There are companies like one we use right for our t-shirts is Teespring, guys. It costs you nothing up front to make it. Basically, you can design on these platforms, or you can create your designs or have somebody create a design or logo for you, and then upload it to these platforms and have it put on t-shirts, sweaters, and other products and things like that. Okay, and basically you list them on these sites, they host them, they even have marketing tools to help you market, right, and services. And then once you make a sale, right, they get their cut because they're providing the shirts, the materials, right, but you also get your cut, right? So if you sell a t-shirt, right, that you might sell for $22, say Teespring, for instance. There's others like Printful. I think it's Printful or Printful. You can look for it online, but right there, another what they call print-on-demand service. That's what it's called, print-on-demand services, right? So Teespring, Printful, and there's others out there too are the same thing. Again, you can basically, once a product is ordered, that's when the making of that product begins. Okay, so if someone goes on to our website and purchases one of our sites or our t-shirts, like this hashtag revenue shirt right here, right, once they purchase that, right, it's done via Teespring. Actually, it's through our website, but it's done, you know, Teespring handles everything for us. They start the process, they provide the t-shirt itself, they put the logo and the design on the shirt, they ship it, they take care of everything. Okay, once it's sold and that customer purchases, they get their cut, we get ours, right? But we have no overhead costs whatsoever. It simply took a couple minutes to just think of a design to put on a t-shirt, and that was it. All right, so that is another way, is creating some kind of apparel, clothing brand, merchandise, things like that. And again, some of these companies that you'll find out there do like t-shirts, sweaters, blankets. Some might do jackets, some might do things like coffee mugs, all kind of different products. You just have to search around, find one that works for you, has what you want to offer and sell, and then go from there. All right, so that's number 4. The last one, ladies and gentlemen, is actually our favorite, and that is affiliate marketing. Okay, and the reason why I say affiliate marketing is our favorite, because we believe that anyone and everyone should try affiliate marketing, probably because that if you're not familiar with our channel, we believe that everyone is actually an affiliate marketer, from small children on up to the oldest of folks you might come across, right? And if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's basically getting paid a commission or a percentage from a sale that you generate, right? So if you bought a pair of jeans at a store, and then you go around with your friend, they're like, hey, I like those jeans, where did you get them from? You say, hey, this store over here. They go there and they buy the same jeans from that store, right? If you were an affiliate of that store, right, you might say, hey, well, I bought them from this store. You know, you can go onto the website. I'll send you a link and purchase them through the link, right? And then you get the jeans you're going to get anyways because you're saying you like them, but I'll also get a percentage of that sale. That's affiliate marketing, okay? So what I mean by everyone is already doing is we all do it, right? If you go out and you see a movie and then you tell one of your friends about it and they go and see it, right, that's affiliate marketing, okay? They went and saw the movie based on your recommendation, okay? So again, affiliate marketing takes absolutely nothing extra in terms of finances. May take a little bit of time. It's something you can do for absolutely free as long as you want. You can spend money with it and scale it as a real business, a legitimate business, right? But because people are already doing this, ladies and gentlemen, again, I recommend everyone try it, all right? You know, referring back to the influencer, a way that a lot of influencers make their money is through affiliate marketing as well. So not only are they getting brand deals, but they're making affiliate commissions, okay? You can do affiliate marketing with some of the biggest and largest companies you can think of out there in the world, to companies that are just starting out, okay? As long as they have a website generally and they have an affiliate program, which you can always Google. If you know of a company that you think of being an affiliate for, you can always Google that company and then put affiliate program. So X company, affiliate program, and hit enter. If they have an affiliate program, generally it will pop up and then you can take a look at the details, what's the commission rate, so on and so forth, okay? There's affiliate programs, platforms that or affiliate networks, which are platforms that you can sign up with as an affiliate. Some are free to sign up with, some have no requirements whatsoever. There's others that require you to meet specific requirements for you to be able to join their affiliate networks, or individual companies that have certain requirements for you to be able to market their products and services, okay? But you'll find out once you get that far. But affiliate marketing is a phenomenal way and an awesome way to make money online. It could be, you know, from a few dollars a month if you're really not caring about it as a business, to a full-blown 6-figure, maybe even 7-figure business in itself with affiliate marketing. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is our 5 best opportunities for making money online in 2020 and beyond. If you're already doing one of these, I hope that you're mighty successful and you might be able to stack another one onto it. So again, multiple streams of income lead to wealth, okay? And so if you're an influencer, you're not doing affiliate marketing, but you're influencing, definitely make that a point this year in 2020 to start stacking those two together and working some of these other opportunities within the mix if you're not doing so already. All right, but that's it for today's video, guys. If you have enjoyed the video, again, let us know you like it. Hit that thumbs up button. Also, make sure you have subscribed to the channel below, and leave a comment if you're doing one of these. If you're already taking advantage of one of these opportunities, you already tried them, let us know how it's going for you. We'd love to hear what you have to say and your experiences have been. Leave that in the comments. If you have any questions about any of these, also put that in the comments below. And make sure you share this video with anyone else who might gain some kind of value from it, all right? And also make sure that you are following us on all social media platforms at Revenue Pro Tips. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that your 2020 will be phenomenal and that you'll be making a whole lot more money this time next year by leveraging one of these opportunities, or many of them, most of them, all of them. All right, that's it. Brian here with Revenue Pro Tips. Until next time, peace.